Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace rear brake pads on Subaru Outback Easy Guide. Begin by lifting the rear, removing the wheel, and placing fasteners in a tray to avoid loss. Inspect the caliper and rotor for wear, compress the caliper piston with a proper tool, remove old pads, fit new pads with any shims or hardware, reassemble in reverse order, torque lug nuts to spec, pump the pedal and check brake feel before driving. Gather tools and parts before you start so the job goes smoothly and safely. You will need a jack stands, lug wrench, socket set, C-clamp or piston tool, brake cleaner, gloves, and new rear pads plus hardware if required. Prepare a clean tray for small parts and rags for brake dust, and review torque specs and bedding recommendations before reassembly to ensure proper braking performance and safety. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video to support more how-to guides. Quick recommendation. I keep recommending one book that changes how I think about money, and it pairs oddly well with fixing your car because it frees up budget for maintenance. Check the description for the link and other deals to pick it up if you want, and now let's get back to the video. Follow these steps carefully for a reliable brake job and a safe drive. After removing the wheel and caliper, support the caliper so the brake hose is not strained, compress the piston fully, then remove the old pads and any worn shims. Clean contact points with brake cleaner, install new pads, reattach the caliper and wheel, torque lug nuts, and perform a low-speed brake test to confirm pedal firmness and proper operation before normal driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.